Delta, founded in 1971 in Taiwan, is a global leading provider of power and thermal management solutions. Our corporate mission has guided Delta to evolve into a provider of smart energy-saving solutions, capable of nurturing smart factories and sustainable cities. Delta serves customers and leverages global talent through its sales offices, R&D centers, and manufacturing facilities, spread over close to 200 locations across 5 continents. We leverage our commitment to innovation and core competence in high-efficiency power electronics to provide a wide range of energy-saving products. Our diversified product portfolio is divided into 3 major categories: power electronics, automation, and infrastructure. Our power electronics components optimize the energy efficiency and thermal management of a wide range of applications, such as mobile devices and consumer products. Delta switching power supplies, DC brushless fans, and passive components support servers, as well as other IT and industrial applications. Our traction motors, power management and control systems, cooling products, as well as automotive components and modules, bolster the electric vehicle megatrend. Our industrial automation products enable smart manufacturing through comprehensive and energy-efficient management and control of industrial equipment. Production lines and entire factories. Delta's building automation portfolio facilitates smart control and energy management of building systems, such as HVAC, indoor air quality, lighting, surveillance, and more. We also provide smart streetlights and surveillance to make cities safer and greener. Delta's infrastructure products enable the backbones of sustainable cities. This includes ICT infrastructure, such as power systems for telecom networks, UPS, and data center infrastructure, as well as networking communications equipment. We also provide high-efficiency products for renewable energy power plants, energy storage infrastructure and microgrid systems, as well as for EV charging stations. Delta also offers display products for control rooms and projection venues. We develop healthcare technologies to improve well-being in cities. Our brand promise, Smarter, Greener, Together, entails the development of smart green solutions and long-lasting collaboration with partners to enable sustainable development. By mastering its hardware and software system integration capabilities, Delta has developed a thriving portfolio of IoT-enabled smart energy-saving solutions that are nurturing sustainable cities and smart factories around the world. Our solutions include industrial automation and smart manufacturing solutions, building automation solutions, telecom energy solutions, data center solutions, EV charging solutions, smart energy solutions, as well as display and visualization solutions. Delta's high-efficiency products and solutions not only enhance the productivity of our customers' operations, but also realize substantial energy savings and lower CO2 emissions worldwide. Our own factories utilize renewable energy, smart manufacturing, and total quality management best practices to create high-quality products and systems with the lowest carbon footprint possible. Delta has also built itself into a world-class corporate citizen by proactively implementing environment, social, and governance best practices to echo 7 UN Sustainable Development Goals. Since buildings consume a significant portion of the global energy supply, Delta has integrated its energy-saving solutions to create green buildings for its operations, as well as for donated academic campuses worldwide for the next generation. We also proactively promote energy conservation at the international stage through various world-class environmental initiatives and events, such as the UN Climate Change Conferences. Through the years, Delta's excellence has been honored by permanent governments, institutions, and partners across the world. Our overall ESG performance and corporate social responsibility milestones have been recognized by some of the world's most prominent organizations and standards. This is Delta.